I wouldn't normally take the seat off the wing. Usually don't touch anything like that, you know. But we've got to put the chip into the camera. The chip is slightly a bit lower. So one of the things, when next it goes to Rick, when I find some more lights, ooh, you've got to pull it up from the back, look, and then you pull it backwards. Hold on a minute, let me just do this. Will you see anything there worth seeing? Pull it up in the back, and then you pull it backwards until the front unclips. Until the front unclips enough so you can get it off. And then we just got to find this plug underneath. Don't just pull the seat off, because the plug is underneath. Oh. Yeah, the seat. Mind you, this will do. We put this down there, that'll be fine for what we want to look at. Whoops. What we want to look at, it can stop there. Don't fall. Come on then, don't fall. Put the seat there. Hold on. Don't scratch anything. Right. This is what we want to look at. Oh, blimey. Now this is what the previous people were put in. This is part of the lighting in the back. Here is the in-off camera. Actually, next time we go to see Rick, we're going to get him to put it up here so that we can access it from the back. Just a bit low here, I can't get to it. But anyway, these are camera feeds. Look at all this wiring under here. Have you ever seen such a nightmare? That's why I never touched it. All the fuses are in. All that. So you remember me telling you? These ones that are labelled are from previous jobs, I think. But look at all this. And remember, all this has had to come off the air filter. Do you remember me telling you that the air filter had sucked a piece of carpet into it? Yeah. When it clogged up the air filter. She's sounding and running. She's picking up well. She's going well at the moment. We're going out tomorrow, so we're just going to sort out the in-off camera. You don't want to get wet. We've got to put the chip in, but do you know what? It's one of these poxy little chips. Oh, that would be bad enough to put in, but we've got to put one of these microchips in. And the problem is, whenever you put that, you're trying to get a micro switch out of it. You drop it and you never see it again, do you? So I'm not going to be able to film that. I'm concentrating too much trying to get this damn chip in there. But anyway, let me get this chip in there. I've seen that. What's that? What is that? Is that something to do with the suspension? How is this kit fitted on? Can we see anything down there? I can't see that, but look at this. Look at the wiring in this ring. Rick deserves every penny that he earns. Look at this. Where the hell do you even begin? Look at all these here. All that there. What's that say? Yeah. Look at all these wires. He's got to figure out, because he had to strip a load out because of the previous. He had to detoxify it. And then of course I give him a whole load of wiring stuff to put on. Spotlights, indicators, these lights on here, the lights underneath, the orange lights. Oh! No wonder he shuts the door and won't answer it when I come a knocking. Yeah, wow. Can you believe what you're looking at? The under the seat in the wing. That's and then all the fuse boxes are here. That's a Goldwing thing. A lot of these are Goldwing things, actually. A lot of these were plugged into the original thing, but wow. Where the hell do you begin? Where the hell do you begin with that lot? So I think it's the right way in. I think it's okay, it's going to accept it. Let's just see if it clicks in. Click, click, it's in. What a mad thing. These little chips are a mad thing, aren't they? Anyway, we put a nice big chip in there. So we'll see what we're going out tomorrow. I'm busy in the morning, car booting in the morning, and then we're coming back and we're going for a run. So I want the camera up and running. Does that tell us? That should tell us whether it's it'll come to life now. Once it does its thing, yeah, green. Green means it's on. GPS means it's got its GPS, so we can find it. And it's got a microphone, so this one takes sound as well. And then you can press that for a memory. If you see something you want to remember, you just press the button. And it can take pictures. Anyway, let's test that now then. Finally, eventually, I've got the seat back on. What a faff. You're going to undo these 2 screws here, 2 screws there. And you put it on, so you take it off, then you put it back on, and you take it off, you put it on, and then it works. Fiddle the screws in first. Don't make everything loosely and then get it in. But what a faff. That was a right. I must have tried 4 or 5 times to get that side in. That's why I don't like going underneath, so we'll be altering that. But that's where we can get access to it, you know, either through the boot or from behind the door, behind the seat somewhere.